Hey you guys, in this video I'm just going to show you how I am using this piece of fabric to make a long bias. Now we're making two of these with this beautiful fabric because I am going to make a bag, and this is going to be used for the straps. Now the way that I plan on making these straps is similar to how I make my bangle bracelets. You might want to check out that video because I more than likely I won't show the entire process of how I do that, but this is how I do the bias. I press it good and I fold it in half from one side to another. And this piece is kind of long, so I'm just going to show you how I did one of them. And then I'm going to go back and fold it again, and I'm going to press that down and do that all the way down. Now the width of it is 4 inches. That way I should come out with a 1-inch strip after all the folding and pressing. And so again, I'm going to do that all the way down. And so the end I like to tuck in so I don't have any fraying. And then you can fold it back and then fold it in half and press it all the way down. This is how you end up with 1 inch, of course. And when you get to the other end, you're going to fold it in as well. And that one is complete, and then I have another one I have to do, and I'll do that one off camera, and I'll come back with the rest of the tutorial.